Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change DNS settings on a Windows 11 PC step by step. Changing your DNS server can help improve browsing speed, privacy, and reliability. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Network and Internet. Then, click on your active network connection, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Scroll down and find DNS Server Assignment. Next, click the Edit button. In the window that appears, change the setting from Automatic DHCP to Manual. Turn on IPv4. Now enter your preferred DNS addresses. For example, you can use Google's public DNS servers, preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After entering the DNS addresses, click Save. Windows will apply the new DNS settings immediately. You can now browse the internet using your selected DNS server. And that's it. You've successfully changed the DNS settings on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.